Hello friends, my name is Harshit and I am living in Varanasi in India, and today I am discussing with you a project which I have built. I am currently building as a practice project which is Spotify clone, and while building it I got some useful insights which I will share with you. So over here currently I am building this library portion, and I have made a document about what insights I have got. So while reading it, I will be explaining it to you. In fact, this project is using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. So let's begin. Currently building on. So I am building this library portion as of now, and while building this, what insights I have got, I will share. Using CSS, the list style of unordered lists can be modified to none if you want to remove the bullet points. Here I have used this as a UL, but as you can see there are no bullet points. So over here let me show you. This song list is a tag name for that area, and in that I have used list style none. So if you want to remove bullet points, then you can use this list style as none. And then another thing I have noted is that if you want to use uh, an ordered list in place of you by using an unordered list, if you want to use it as an ordered list where you can have a numbering, then you can set the list style type to number or decimal, like I have used over here. I have used over here list style type as decimal, although right now it's not displaying for some reasons, but while modifying the project I was able to do that, but currently it's a part of building something, so later on I work on that why it's not visible. So this was one point. Then this one, the get element tag name returns an array of the tags present. For a particular tag we are searching, to use a particular one we have to refer to that position in the array like an array 0. So it can be nested with it can also be nested with a query selector if you want to use it in a particular element having an ID. Similarly, multiple get element by tag name can be combined by referring to their respective positions in their arrays. So let me explain what I mean over here. It will be in the JS file. So let me search that area of get element by tag. Okay. How many are there? Okay, so this one is, yeah. So here what I want to say, this song UL is a variable selected by a query selector. So this is the song list. Song list division is this one. So let me show it here. So this one is the song UL, but the thing is that in this I want the UL unordered list to be selected. So inside the query selector of the song list, I want the element, the UL element to be selected. And but the thing is that if I just write it UL, I don't use the 0. What happens is that it will return get element by tag name will return you an array of all the available ULs. So although there is only one UL, but over here since it's returning an array, so we have to refer it to using 0 anyhow. So that's what I mean, that as I said, wrote over here that it needs to be referred to by using an array. It needs to be referred to by using an array of 0. And also what I wrote over here is that it can be selected by using multiple nesting over here, that document dot first this one is selecting the song list ID, and in that song list ID itself it is using the get element by tag name. First it's using the query selector, and then it's using the get elements by tag name. So this one I wanted to point out, and then the get element this one is done. And then the for loop can be used for iteration in an array. To return it in HTML in the desired format, we use the template later to concatenate the outputs of the iteration. Example, song ul.html inner HTML plus is equal to, this is a code in fact which I will show. So what I want to refer over here is that while I am using this, let me just one second. Since this I am putting a song inside the array, I am using song by from the array of songs. Songs is an array in fact which contains many songs. So over here, if I want to iterate over a loop, then I have to use it like this: for const for of it. This is called for of loop. For of loop. In that const song of song, one song each at a time it will use. And then as we know that song ul is a unordered list. Song by song ul we mean song unordered list. We want to keep the inner HTML of it as a one song one by one. So it is using the song over here, and then it's keeping it in the li tag. So song ul.inner HTML is getting added each time with an li tag which contains the song. And what's this one? Let me explain. So the song will be returned in the form of it's the song will be returned with special characters, like a plus will be replaced with ampersand 20. So ampersand 20. So while returning the link, it will show these things like this. But if we want to replace it using space bar, then we want to replace then we have to use replace all. We want to use replace because it will only replace the first instance. If I don't use this song replace all, then what will happen, that like this one is given extreme height growth v2. Over here the spaces will be coming like ampersand 20, which is the default encoding in the while using web applications. So if we want to replace, then we have to use this one. And another encoding is %5b. So it's for this big bracket. Similarly, %5d for small bracket. If you want to replace it, then we have to use it in this way. Yeah, so this one I have discussed in fact. So, and one more thing actually, over here I have used split for like what happens is that if we want to use a fetch function, then it will return the complete address what's saved inside in this one. Like this is a folder in which all the songs are there, so it will return the complete URL, means the URL. For instance, let suppose the URL name is spotify.com, then the spotify.com/songs/ slash, for each name it will come like spotify.com/songs/ extreme height growth and all that. So but we want only the first one. So we want only the part after the songs one. So I created it using /songs, but the thing is that it will return two elements in the array, the left part of the /songs and the right part of the /songs. So at the right part we have to refer to the as the second element. The second element will be referred by the first, so big brackets 1 1, because the array starts from 0. So that's why we keep it as this, like this. And then if I want to use the play now text to appear while hovering over a created image. Let me show. I want it while I am hovering over this play icon, it should show the text play over here. For that, what I want over here is that this song play song list play item image is there. This is the tag name for this icon, so and the tag name for the text which I am putting at below that after hovering is this song list play text. What's happening is that I have kept this song list play text as a absolute positioning in the div of this uh, song list ULUI. This is the unordered list element. In this I have put the relative position, and then I have put the absolute position inside this song list play text. So referring to the position of this complete li list item, it will position itself. For that I have positioned it from the top and from the left to keep so that it happens just below this image icon. And then what I want to say is that for default I have kept the display as none, so it will not appear if nothing is happening. But when the song list play image is hovering over here, it will change the property for the song list play text to display as log. So what I want to refer is that for keeping it as a hovering on the image tag, for using the property of one item to effect on the other one, first I have hovered it over here and then use this symbol see this symbol you can see over here to change the property of the text song list play text so that it displays as a prop. So this is what I have currently built, and this is what I got the insights for. And if you want, you can get the GitHub repository from this link for whatever I have done up to now, and I will link all this in the description. And about me, I am Harshit from Varanasi. If you want, then if you are interested in anything like science, technology, etc., I would give you my contact details in the description of this video, so you can connect with me. Thank you.